Hillbilly Honda YouTube channel.
Oh, hell yeah.
What's up, everybody? Today is going to be a shop day. We have a bunch of projects to do. Get ready for the dirt next week. Let's see, we got to do some work to one of the Taos. We got to work on the Kawasaki, get that running. Then we have to possibly work on the trailer to get ready to haul. So yeah, hang out. Let's see what we got. It'll be a good time. So the first thing on the list today is fixing the Tao, the Tao Tao, if you will. What we got going on is we've got a carburetor issue where every time you start the thing, it just decides to go full throttle.
Oh, hell yeah.
So first thing we're going to do is we're going to pull the carburetor off right here. We're going to pull it out. We're going to look down it. We're going to see how that needle is and what's going on there. Okay, so here is the carburetor. We have a brand new one to go on, which we'll probably be swapping this one out for that one. But what we're going to do is we're going to put the needle in with the throttle cable connected, and we're going to take a look down it, and we're going to see where that thing's sitting. If it's open, then that explains why it's going full throttle without pushing the throttle. So let's attach that. We'll take a look at it. Well, I don't know if you can see it, but let's get in some light better here. All right, if you look, you see how that's open right there within that? That is our throttle sleeve and needle. And for some reason, it's up just sitting there, which is letting all kinds of gas into the engine, making it want it to go full throttle. So what we'll do is we'll adjust this little cable right here, right there, and we'll see if we can get that to close down. If not, then we might need to do something different. Okay, so what we've done is we've adjusted the cable right here, which was flayed way open. Who knows how that happened? We're gonna have to tighten that up. But if you look now, you can only see a little tiny bit of light through there. I don't know if you can really make out what's going on. There you go. See now, that slide, here, put that thing right here, is returning all the way closed. So now, when you hit the throttle, it opens up, and it closes right on down. So I'm going to put it all back together, and we'll see what happens when it fires. Well, we got the carb all back together. We got a couple more things we got to tidy up. But right about now, we can actually start this thing. So let's give her a go and see what we get. we got her. So here we are on the new trailer. We're gonna get ready to do the wiring and then deck it out. It's gonna be awesome when we get it done. It's a flip trailer. Picked it up for a couple $100. You're gonna haul some stuff with it. It's gonna be sweet. All right, so here we are. Got a new decking. Just got a zipper down, and we're gonna have to do something with the surface because the waterproof stuff is outrageously expensive. We just couldn't afford it. Looks like a brand new trailer though. Pretty awesome. Okay, now that the trailer is complete, looking good out there, I think we'll go ahead and get started on the Kawasaki. We have to pull this case right here. Pull that off, replace the gasket, put it back on, put oil in it. Then we should be able to fire it, get it off the stands, and take it for a ride. Well, what do you say we give her a start? See if we got any leaks. Have to adjust the carb. Oh! that's okay. Out of the garage, not leaking any oil, thank God. We're gonna take her for a spin, see what she got. Like she's brand new. Hillbilly Honda. Oh hell yeah! Oh hell yeah!
Oh hell yeah!
Oh hell yeah!
Oh hell yeah!
Oh yeah! Hell yeah!